In a quiet Pretoria bedroom, 12-year-old Elon Musk stares at a flickering screen. His fingers fly across the keys, finishing his first game, Blastar. He sells the code for $500. Years later, he drops out of Stanford to launch Zip2. When it sells for millions, he does not buy a mansion. Instead, he wires every cent into X.com. PayPal is born, then sold, providing the fuel for his true dreams. By 2002, the money is nearly gone. He stands in a dusty hangar, staring at the charred remains of a rocket. The press calls him a failure, but he ignores the headlines. He pours his last millions into one final prototype. In 2008, Falcon 1 finally pierces the clouds. Simultaneously, he sleeps on a factory floor, pushing engineers to solve the production bottlenecks. Years of skepticism vanish as Tesla becomes a global titan. He risked everything on the edge of a knife, and he won. He does not stop. From neural interfaces to solar grids, he refuses to settle. Looking up at the stars, his eyes are fixed on Mars. He turns from the podium, already planning the next launch.